So it is Thursday, and that means we are back in Lynn Matava's kitchen. Lynn is a nutrition educator with the University of Maryland Extension.
And if you're looking for a refreshing drink during these hot summer days, Lynn has the perfect icy beverage for you. Let's check it out.
When I think back to being a kid, among my favorite childhood memories are those frothy, creamy, and refreshing orange beverages you used to be able to get in the mall. And I started thinking about these the other day, and I was wondering how I could make my own version of this refreshing orange beverage, but make it a little bit more substantial, boost it with some nutrients. And what I came up with was making it with something instead of milk called Kefir. And so Kefir is a yogurt type beverage. It's a little thicker than milk, not quite as thick as yogurt, and it's consumed all over Europe and Asia. It has been for thousands and thousands of years, and it has really grown in popularity over here in the last couple decades. And basically, Kefir comes from a Turkish word for good feeling, and that means that you get a good feeling when you drink it because it's so boosted with nutrients and it's got great probiotic activity for gut health. So we're going to go ahead and use this to make a really delicious orange treat. So we're going to start today with a cup of OJ, a cup of orange juice that we're putting into our blender, a half cup. You can see how thin this is. You do about a third to a half a cup of this. I think a half cup will be good. We're also going to add a tablespoon of honey. Add a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. And finally, I'm going to add a cup of ice. Right in there. And then we're just going to put this in the blender, and I think the most important part here is we're going to let it go for about a minute so it gets really frothy and gets the cream and all the ingredients mixed up and the ice all crushed. And we're going to pull out a glass and see how it turned out. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like vanilla and orange. You can see we get this great, really frothy, creamy beverage that's loaded with calcium, magnesium, protein, and of course all that live probiotic that gives the probiotics that lend to good gut health. So really simple and easy to do. It's delicious, it's refreshing, and I hope you try this one out at home. If you do, please let us know what you think.
So as a reminder, we do have all the Nutrition Educator Lynn Matava's tips and tricks on our website. Just head on over to WMDT.com and click on the Good Morning Delmarva page.
And you can share your version of this delicious recipe by using the hashtag UMDYum.